We've done gold. We've had a look at the fundamentals. We've had a look at the data. Next, we're going to have a look at cryptocurrency. Shukri, is it still the incredibly exciting world of cryptocurrency?
Yeah, and it's a very exciting week this week, and I'll tell you why. It's a moment-changing week this week, actually. But let's see the charts first. Okay, Bitcoin struggling to go above 60. This is good. This means that other coins are moving because the dominance is really coming down. And you see Ethereum has gone almost double to what we called it at 2002. Polkadot has gone up like $4 or $5 since the call last week. It's gone out $17 since whatever that was made. That was made before Ethereum, right? So this is what's happening when Bitcoin is steady. The other guys get a chance to move. And now the issue is will Ethereum flip Bitcoin? In 2017, it was within 7% of that. So that is the new narrative now for Ethereum. But don't
hold on. I don't understand. Yeah. Ethereum's at $4,000. Bitcoin's at $57,000. What do you mean by flip?
I'm talking about this market cap.
Oh, market cap. Yep.
Let's go above that. So in 2017, it was within 7%. Was that early 2018? Well, that was early 2018. Very close.
Mate, I can't even tell you what that number is.
Oh yeah, that means Ethereum could go up to 10. Of course, now they're saying it goes up to 5 first before it goes up to 10. So this is something that's very good because now so, they've already said they're going to kick out the miners by the end of the year. So it's going to be cheaper.
As a man who lives this stuff, watching Bitcoin struggle is okay for you. Okay. Bitcoin's the shop window for crypto, right? It's the thing that people look at. For you, seeing Bitcoin stop here, because I do think it's a bit of crunch time. I sort of feel like if it doesn't get through 60, it's going to retest 60 grand. And when it does, if it doesn't come in, then next week we're going to have Ash talking about head and shoulders, and it's going to start looking pretty bearish.
That's why we're waiting for D-Day now. But tomorrow, something is going to happen because on Friday, 2009 was Bitcoin. 2015 was Ethereum. On Friday, this was launched, Dfinity. Dfinity is actually a blockchain computer where it runs on the internet at the speed of the internet. Now, I know some of you guys, the internet is not fast, but it's faster than Ethereum now, and the gas will be much cheaper. And look at this. This is the first crypto ever in history to be listed on day one. Paul was telling you, crypto start on the lower exchange, then they go to Binance, then they go to Coinbase. Coinbase is like, you're it. You've been recognized by the whole world, but this guy is going to go straight into Coinbase. And that's a big deal. That's a really big deal. And the best thing of all this one, you guys aren't going to believe it. This one, you couldn't buy it in the IDO. It was an airdrop. You needed to know about the airdrop, and all you needed to do was submit your KYC, pay $9, and submit it on a passport because that's what they accepted. And now there are people selling the airdrop accounts for like 20,000 US. So here's what's going to happen. This is a complete ecosystem like Ethereum. Now it's going to come out at either 150, which means the airdrop is worth 17,000 US, or it's going to go to 300, which means the airdrop is worth 35,000 US. That's an airdrop, pure airdrop. You didn't need to do anything. Passport, guys, passport. Or it's going to come out at 500, which means the airdrop is worth 60,000. Whatever it is, let's look back what has happened because people are asking me, do you buy well?
Sorry, mate. Sorry to jump in, mate, but
yeah.
Can we still do this, or have we missed it?
No, the airdrop is over. But this
Did you ring me and tell me?
This is 2 years ago. This was 2 years ago. So anyway, the thing is now for people who want to buy, let's look at Flow. Flow open at 100x. If Dfinity opens at 100x, it will be $430. Now, this is what happened to Flow. Once it opened at 100x, it then got dumped 40%. Very normal for crypto, And then it went up like 5-6 times after that. And so don't do anything in Dfinity. I know we like it, but this is, let's see what happens tomorrow. And let's see, this is the biggest airdrop in history. Now, if you look at the airdrop of, what was that, Uniswap, and it went up 10 times right after that dump. Let's see what happens to Definity. But yeah, exciting times. And yeah, get your passport ready, guys. So a lot of people, some people in the group have it. So that's what I do. I just sell half and I just hold the rest.
So Shukri, where does the money come for the biggest airdrop in history?
It comes from a lot of venture capitalists like Andreessen Horowitz and all that. So the venture capitals are doing this. So these are for people who are in the Telegram group and basically who are active members. So you were talking about airdrops now, Paul. I know that in your mind you didn't have an idea that an airdrop could be 17,000 US to 60,000 US. And if you had told me that 2 years ago that, you know, if I heard this, hey, if that happens, I'm going to jump in the sea. Luckily, I didn't make that promise because I would have to jump in the sea. It goes that changes the nature of airdrop in a whole different league. You know, like anything now can happen, guys. Anything.
Mate, it's an amazing world, isn't it? As you know, one of my mates got into privacy swap at about 7 cents. I think it's about $40 at the moment. That's in about 3 weeks. I think they have made some money. Mate, thank you for that. So Monday, tomorrow's the big day. We're going to have Definity straight onto Coinbase. We're going to see what that does. We're expecting it to launch. Big airdrop. The price will probably drop after that. Then it'll be good buying and potentially a rally. We'll have to wait and see. But a big day. And then we've got end of the week. Let me just ask you this. If Gordon Scott's right, and even Gordon Scott says, look, it's a seasonal thing. It's not a day thing. He's not going to pick the day the whole world collapses. If Gordon Scott has picked the day that the whole world collapses, then he'll never work again, right? He is going to be able to sell his services to any fund in the world, right? 14th of May, I'm calling the end of the world. Oh, Gordon is, but you know I can say I am because I'm on the show with him. But if on the 14th of May the world crashes, Shukri, what's it do to Bitcoin?
Okay, let's look at Ash's analysis on COT just now. So the COT people know something, right? They don't want to short. And they don't want to buy too. You already saw the chart. They just don't want to buy. Everyone's worried about the taxes. Now, this is what happens seasonally, Ash. End of May is usually seasonally strong for Bitcoin. There's something called consensus at the end of May. And they're going to talk up Bitcoin then. That's why people don't want to sell. And also for Polkadot, there's an event. Consensus is 28th and 29th, 27th and 28th of May. There's also an event for Polkadot on 19th and 20th of May, and they'll end up Polkadot. So, you know, if we go to hell, it's only for a short time.
Like it, Shukri. Thank you very much. As always, enjoy the update. Thank you very much. Always good to hear what's going on in the crypto world. If you want to see more from Shukri, he's on Mondays and Wednesdays on Crypto Moon. And that photo was not yesterday. That photo is a few weeks ago, and he was a little bit